Denny here. Let's finish Jennifer's bear up, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Now this part took a little bit of pre-work, okay? I spent quite a bit of time working the darks in and the lights and all of that. I could have done it with a paintbrush, but I just don't have the time in these short video lessons. So this part, if you're painting along, this part's going to take some time. And take your time. Always take your time. You don't have to hurry like I do, okay? Now, the darker areas, of course, are reserved for the areas that are in more shadow, okay? The lighter areas, of course, are picking up on the light. Okay, and we can see the bear now beginning to take shape. Okay, his head and muzzle and all of that. Okay, and all I'm doing right now is I'm just putting more or less water, clean water, moving some stained water around just to bring everything into a good balance on our bear. Just like this, see? Just like this. And if you take your time, you can have a pretty decent result. Okay, now we've had fun with this painting, and if you go to paint it, I want you to have as much fun with it as I did. But again, take your time, enjoy yourself, because the success of the painting isn't in a sale, it's in the enjoyment you had doing it, okay? So be with me tomorrow, and we'll start another painting. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. All right, we got it done. We're going to start on something new tomorrow. Be with me then, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.